Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a bit of an exciting day today. We got another package delivered recently. I told you guys on the stream that on my videos that things were going to be coming and to upgrade the rig there. So here's the first of it, right? So let's get into it. This actually came really quick, so I was pretty surprised at how quickly it got here. It's good, but it's also bad because it means that I've got to buy some more stuff before really we can get it on the rig and working. But I thought I'd open it with you guys anyway and show you what we've got here. So as you can probably see, we've got Next Level Racing FGT monitor stand. So you've already seen in the title anyway that we're going triple screen. So no more TV. We'll have the triple screen set up and be doing some racing and some drifting with triple screens, which would be pretty cool. Here it is here. So this is actually pretty cool because you can run one, or you can run it as a single or a triple, right? So I don't have to have one or the other. So you can see there that it says can support up to one 65-inch screen or 327-inch screen. So we're definitely going to go with the 327s. I mean, you look at this picture here and I don't like how far away the actual screens will be from the steering wheel and how much they'll wrap around. So my younger brother and I, we're actually going to modify this. So before we even put it on, we're going to take this frame off. We're going to cut these mounts here and actually angle them down towards the steering wheel to get it a bit closer and to get it to wrap around a bit more. So it'll probably just really give us more an immersive gameplay when we're doing trucking or we're doing some drifting. So really looking forward to that. But it just means you guys are going to have to wait a little bit longer before we have them on. I also don't have the screens yet, so I've obviously got to save up some money and get some screens, but we'll slowly just add to it. I think we'll just go one screen at a time or something like that. But there it is, guys. There's the kit. Obviously got our instructions and all the bolts and everything that needs to happen and to go on. There's our base mounts. So let's have a look. We'll open one up and actually have a look at it and see what it looks like. So nice matte black finish. So it's really going to sit, it'll sit here. That'll be roughly where it's going to sit. And then the screen will come up off there. Let's open one of these up. We'll put one of these in as well just to really give us a good idea of what it's going to look like. There we go there, and then this will slide down in there. It's actually not as far away as I thought it was, so maybe we actually need to mount it up and have a look first, because in the pictures it looks like it sits a long way away, but it actually doesn't look to be that far. So I'll have to play around with that. But there's the mounts, got triple screen mounts. You know, all of it's really solid steel, so it's really good. Looking forward to getting it all up and running, hopefully sooner rather than later. But you know, paying for 3 screens cheap either, especially if you want high quality screens. So guys might have to wait a little bit longer, but there you go guys. Triple screen setups, the mounts are here, and I'll keep bringing videos as we make further changes. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you again soon.